Namaste ji, namaste. Welcome to Courtroom. I sincerely hope that you're doing well. After a long wait, the advertisement for DJSE 2023 has been published on the Delhi High Court's website on the 6th of November, that is today. So we'll just have a summary first and then we'll get to the most important bits. Vacancies are 53. The prelims date is on the 10th of December. Applications will open tomorrow on the 7th of November and the deadline is on the 22nd of November. And as usual, the age limit, etc., nothing has been changed. It's pretty much the same thing. The general unreserved vacancies are 34. Now we'll just go over the crucial bit in the syllabus. If you see the prelims ka syllabus, if you open the PDF from the High Court's website, you will see that none of your recent bills have been included in the syllabus. So thank God for that. And as usual, it was expected क्योंकि जब तक वो acts नहीं बनती and respective codes नहीं बनते, it is unfair to even expect for them to be included in the syllabus. However, still it is a legal current affair. So if you're going to be appearing this in this exam, I would suggest that you go through a brief history of, let us say, the IPC and Evidence Act basically, because questions then can pop up on Thomas Macaulay and James Stephen and all of that. I'm talking about the history behind the act and the codes respectively. Why? Because, well, this year they have been in discussion. So for the purposes of prelims, not for mains, of course, nothing doing for mains, but for the purposes of prelims, what are the names of the new proposed bills? Like, for example, the role of the Law Commission, of course, 22nd Law Commission, Ritu Rajavasti, etc. So all of those become a part of current legal affairs. So try to include them in your pre-key preparation. Like, for example, a new kind of punishment has been proposed in the newer, soon to be unveiled IPC. Hopefully it becomes an act next year, or God only knows when. Community service. Section 53 of the IPC 1860 doesn't have that as a punishment, and doesn't has that as the punishment, sorry. And the newer one is expected to have that because it's there proposed in the bill. So this is like one major legal current affair. Of course, go through the recent changes on the Mediation Act, so the recent amendments that have come in. So go through the syllabus. We have already discussed all of this in a previous session that I did on all about the DJS. You can go through that. It's pretty much the same notification. I won't be discussing what are the percentage and what are the markings, etc. schemes, and same thing, same as usual. It's pretty much each and every year. The crucial date is you have your prelims from 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. on the 10th of December, and well, person practicing as an advocate or person qualified to be admitted as an advocate, that means, well, you need to have your LLB degree with you, and then they go into reservations, etc. So the 53 are the total number of vacancies, 34 for UR, and आपकी SC and ST go for 5 and 14 respectively. Yeah, and that's just about it. It's pretty much a standard notification that has been published today. I wanted to go over it once with you guys, and if you need to understand the nature of the exam, please go through the previous session that we did on DJSE. If you're preparing for this exam, wishing you all the very best. Do include the preparation, like we have discussed, preparation on current legal affairs, specifically for prelims, not for mains as usual, but that will really help you out. However, do not go into rote learning the new section numbers in the proposed bills of the new IPC, etc. That's not required right now. So, well, that's a sigh of relief. But again, जब अगले साल, roughly speaking, around this time or maybe even a month later, the notification pops up for 2024, and by the time, if they have become the act and codes, well, the prelims ka paper will be filled out with the appropriate section numbers next year, but not for your batch. So go ahead, prepare well, prepare as hard as you possibly can, and well, then take the exam. I sincerely hope that you clear the prelims and then appear for mains and then clear the interview and then get your seat. All right, wishing you all the very best. Take care. Bye.